kind of. They did.
Wait, that's a camera?
Yeah, it's on.
That is horrible audio.
Yeah, I know, baby. I'll be right back. Yeah, it's good.
Yes, I am. Aiden, the 350s go like legit 200 miles an hour.
Well, do you think I'm gonna be going that fast?
No,
Yeah.
just starting out.
I'm gonna just be in like third gear if it goes that fast. It's not like it's gonna be like.
Honestly, you weigh like not even probably anything, and I'm saying you'll probably kill you.
Alright.
To be honest. Not to be rude or anything, but my stepbrother had a
I'm
350.
surprised this doesn't throw me off.
I'm gonna take
On
it.
his
I'm gonna speed test that.
350
Okay?
Honda that he had, he had it and like not even trying to just turn
This is a great four-wheeler.
There you are.
Alright, now.
Oh, nip, 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 nip. Don't
It's
roll down.
fine.
Don't rolls down and hits my fence. It's not fine. Rolls down, it's fine.
Alright, are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm
Let's
still.
ride then.
Let's go, amigos!
Follow me. second I was like, oh shit, he's down.
Yeah. You were smoking that bitch.
Yeah, I know. I saw you, and then I hit this little rut, and that's how I fell.
Congrats. Now.
The only thing I did was when my leg got cut on the shifter. I think I cut my leg.
Let's check.
Here, I got it.
Damn. That was good. Oh, we should send this to Moral Madness.
Oh yeah, we got that on film.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I didn't get the crash on film, but I got him.
You got him laying on the ground.
Yeah, I think I saw it because I saw him fell down a bit.
I can't believe I was keeping up with you.
Yeah.
I was in first gear.
I was
No,
like,
you
oh, I
weren't.
remember
I
this trail. I saw
Not
your
the
trail
whole
of
time.
smoke.
I was.
I saw your trail of smoke. Tried to speed up a bit, and then my leg got stuck.
But with
on
all
the
the
shifter.
turns and everything that you were doing, like my 4-wheeler, like you have to like shift down to turn it without tipping. So.
Yeah, I know.
I gotta go get my dirt bike because I just tipped it on the side. Oh shit. Help! They got stuck in the ground. Whew. It will start. You need help?
Why don't you try to start it and then just walk it up?
How about you walk it backwards? You haven't said it.
Stop, Jonathan, stop.
What? I'm holding it.
Why are you gonna push it up? Why don't you just push it backwards?
Push it backwards?
Yeah, roll it backwards. That was bad. That was good though.